Now the second question, what is the cause of ego? Having known what ego is, what is its cause? What arises ego? So the cause of ego is a simple principle of lack of identification with the totality. A simple example we have taken even other day, we were mentioning that a spoke, if the spoke thinks itself as a spoke and not as a part in the wheel of that which causes motion, if there are no spokes, there's no wheel. But if the spoke thinks I am responsible for the wheel to move, it is ego. But when it understands I am just a spoke in that wheel, I'm just playing a part, not significant, not insignificant, just the part which I have to play. You don't have to overestimate, nor you have to have underestimate. Just give yourself the due credit you have in life. Just play that. But when you don't do this, when you don't identify with an orchestra, with the totality, with the system that you are a part of, you exclude yourself from the totality. Wherever we are, isn't there a totality around us? Isn't there a system that is set in place? In fact, just Harishji was just mentioning that he had gone out on some work of the foundation, and just half an hour before reaching home, he was saying, Guruji, I'm stuck in traffic because the chief minister's convoy is passing and I'm stopped. I am a stone's throw from the house, but yet I hope I'll reach the house in time. So the fact that he had reached home, somebody is managing traffic, somebody is policing it, somebody is putting it in system. Some system is there, whether it's being followed or not, but some system is there, isn't it? Imagine there is no police, imagine there is no system, imagine everything is a chaos. Would you be able to carry on? So whenever you pass by a police, are you in silently acknowledging the fact that he's there? He can choose not to be there, or you can say it is better he better be there because it is my money. I'm paying taxes to the government, so he better be there. He better do his service. You can talk in that attitude, or you say you silently acknowledge and thank you for being there and just managing and doing your role. So if so many things have to happen in a beautiful way for you to just exist in this cosmos, to exist in this totality. So if I have to carry on, if things have to go normally, everything around you must do what it's supposed to do for you to be what you are, isn't it? Don't we say this the moment you get up? Just check yourself head to toe whether everything is functioning normal. And if everything is functioning normal, thank God, I don't have a severe backache or a headache or a toothache or a this ache or that ache. Thank God, everything is fine. So everything has to cooperate for me to be normal, for me to be myself. So when you fail to recognize a totality in which rather you are just a part, and give undue importance to yourself and not be cognizant of the totality around you, that is when ego is created. Because ego is you're glorifying yourself, and you glorify yourself at the cost of that which you are enmeshed, surrounded, you are clouded with. You're just a part. But to take the part as a whole is ego, where that's the birth of I and mine. Isn't it? And the opposite of that is you and ours. You're able to put others above you. You're able to conceive a cause beyond yourself. As they say, après vous, after you, a simple principle when you're disembarking a train or a bus or a lift, or wanting to embark, the basic mannerisms is let them get out and then you go in. You don't have to be told that let them come out before you go in. How can you go in if they don't come out? So just that attitude after you, a simple thing, an attitude of putting others above yourself. That is how you become conscious of measuring how you are, how egoistic you are, and how you can counter it.